scientist. My name is Bonnie and I'm doing a science experiment. First, we need a milk bottle. You'll need a candle and stick it on the top of your egg. And finally, you'll need some glasses, because in case there's an explosion, they make you look cool.
Hello. Today I will be experimenting the force with a simple thought experiment called Newton's Cradle. This toy was named after Sir Isaac Newton.
Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges on the surface of a material. Rubbing a balloon on your hair makes the balloon negatively charged and your hair positively charged. Opposite charges attract and like charges repel. Here's static electricity in action.
Hi, today I'll be making a bottle rocket that will hopefully launch into the air. So first you'll actually need the bottle, you'll need a bicarbonate of soda, some clear vinegar, some tape, a bottle cork, a pen, I've got a Sharpie, 3 pencils that are roughly the same size, and a piece of card or paper.
Hello, my name is Oscar, and today we're going to learn about magnets. A magnet is an object that is attracted to any ferromagnetic metal. The magnet will not stick to this drink can because it is made from aluminium, but it will stick to this spring as it is made from iron. Magnets have a north and south pole just like planet Earth. In fact, the Earth is a giant magnet. A magnet works by the north and south poles sticking together or attracting. If you try to join a north to a north or a south to a south, they don't stick together, they repel. Magnets are found in most electronic devices such as televisions, computers and speakers. I'm now going to show you the magic and visible effect of magnetism. Thank you for watching.
What have we done in Science Week?
We've seen them in the year 6 countdown to shoot the rockets up.
Oh, how did they make the rocket shoot up?
By the pump up, and if you count to 3, and then the person has to do 4 pumps, and then if you do the last pump, it'll
Welcome to my science experiment. It's called Magic Milk, and this is what you need. So you need a shallow tray or bowl, just like this. You need full fat milk. It has to be full fat or it won't work. Food dye, any colour, and washing up liquid, and cotton wool on a stick. So So let's do the experiment. So first we put some of this onto our stick, okay? Then we put food dye in. So first I'm gonna do blue, little drops. 1, 2, 3. So you can see here they're in. I'm gonna put this in and look what happens. Whoa! Whoa. So you're probably wondering, how is this happening? So it's happening when the washing up liquid is added to the milk, the soap. It reduces the surface tension of the milk so that the food colouring can spread out. The soap grabs hold of the fat in the milk, just like when you do the washing up, it holds onto the grease.
Hello, so today I'm going to be doing absorbent. So all you need is a large bucket of water and a fruit. So I'm using lemon, and I got one peeled and I got one peeled. So first of all, I'm going to pop this lemon into the water and see if it sinks or floats. So it floats. And even if I do this, it still floats. So now I'm going to pop this peeled lemon into the water. So it's sunken down. And that's also because that I left it in the water for a few minutes so it could absorb more water, but then it will sink. So the longer you leave it in, the more deep it will sink. So the reason that this one is floating is because it's got skin around it. So the skin is waterproof and it protects it from all the water getting in, so it can't absorb anything. However, this one has no skin on it, so there are many holes inside so that the water cannot get in and the lemon will start absorbing the water, then it will get heavier and heavier and sink down. So that's how it works. You can also use a tangerine or a lime or an orange, something that you can peel like a lemon. So bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Jack and welcome to my science experiment. I am going to demonstrate kinetic and potential energy. Here I am making a basic lever with 2 lollipop sticks, a rubber band and a wooden block. The potential energy is stored in the rubber bands which are under tension. I place one lever into another one. Once the setup is complete, it's time for the countdown. Thanks for watching. Bye.
On Monday we dissected a pouting fish. It was quite fun. But it was definitely gooey and wet. It was a bit slimy and most of its scales kept coming off, but I managed to take out its eyeballs. All the scales stuck to your hands, and when we cut it open, it looked really funny inside. I managed to rip out its heart and its guts. All its guts were disgusting. Its teeth were very sharp. And we also made a volcano yesterday. All we did was put 30 millilitres of vinegar and bicarbonate of soda together, and it erupted, and my hands smelled like vinegar for the rest of the whole day. It was like a giant eruption happening, and the chemicals reacted together. And yesterday we made a spaghetti and marshmallow tower. It was very fun but very frustrating at the same time. The forces were different, so the marshmallows were soft and heavy, so it caused the spaghetti to break and fall down. And today we're going to be doing something that we don't know about yet. To be honest, I do think we should do a lot more science weeks. Yep. We want to be scientists. We both want to be scientists.
Oh gosh. of fun science experiments.
On Monday, we had to find mini beasts in microhabitats.
Then we tried to make different shapes of bubbles, but then we found out that we couldn't make the different shapes.
Then, the next day, we done a flower experiment, and we had to see if the petals change colour, but it hasn't changed colour yet.
And just a minute ago, we done a rocket one, and we had long balloons and normal balloons, and we had to time them to see if the long balloons went faster than the small balloons.
My experiment is about greenhouse gases. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases work together to create a shield that stops the warmth from escaping the world's atmosphere. What would happen if we had too much greenhouse gases? Well, it would get warmer. But there's nothing wrong about that. Well, there is. The icebergs will melt, and then it will make the sea go above the world, and then it will take over everything. This tells me how hot it is in my world. Right now it's 16. I can tell it because it's lighted up. Stick it in the desert. We're going to be back in 30 minutes to see what the temperature is. I'm back and I've just checked my thermometer. It says it's 28 degrees. The icebergs have melted and it's made the desert and the land wetter. The way children can help stopping this from happening is to plant trees, ride your bike to school instead of a car, recycle and save electricity. So that means when you leave a room, turn your stuff off. It will affect our future if the world becomes this.
What about you? What have you enjoyed doing in Science Week?
I enjoyed looking at the stuff
What stuff?
and the one that we put under the camera.
Oh, looking at things in the digital microscope.
Yeah.
What happened when we looked at things under the digital microscope?
It looked different.
It made it look really big, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Bye.